Step 4 in your home buying journey is to create a wish list. This is a fun part where you work with your realtor and you create a list of everything you're looking for in a new home. Some of your choices might be detached home versus attached home. There's pros and cons to both. For instance, with an attached home, even though you have a shared wall, that's your con, you usually don't have to pay for the cost of maintaining the exterior. They're covering your roof and the outside, which in California is usually maintaining stucco or siding. They're usually handling a lot of the landscape, the plumbing, so many things that you don't have to worry about if you're getting an attached home. There's also, what's the neighborhood type? Are you in attractive homes where the homes are all similar? Some people love that, some don't love it. The newer the home, typically the smaller the lot and the closer the homes are together. That's great if you're a social person, but if you don't really like your neighbors looking in on you or seeing everything you're doing, you might want to go for an older home in a neighborhood that's more spread out, and you may not hear your neighbor's shower come on in the morning. Just kidding, but am I? Anyway, it's totally up to you on what type of neighborhood you want. And do you want to be able to walk to shops and stores, or are you okay with hopping in the car for that? What are the schools like? Drive around and check out the neighborhoods you're interested in at different times of day. When people come home from work and school, are the kids playing outside in the streets, and is that okay for you? Or do you want a more quiet neighborhood where you don't see so many people out? There's a house or a home for everyone. So start figuring out what's important to you in the home and location, as well as the physical aspects, and that will help you in your home buying journey to the next step. Your very next step is going to be finding the right mortgage for you. There's a lot of different kinds, so make sure you watch my next video to learn about that.